Hey guys, how's it going? Austin here. Hey, how are you doing? I'm just setting up my streaming software to make sure we're all good. How are you doing? I know that there's nobody here yet, so it's time for me to come on and talk about what the heck's going on with the overall market. So if you're watching this on the replay, give me just a minute to kind of get some people here with me. Yeah, I just decided it was time to. I needed to go live to talk to you guys about what's going on right now. We're in a major correction going on that just literally just freaking happened. So yeah, cool, hanging out. Yeah, hey Brody, what's going on? Justin, Ricardo. Hey guys, how's it going? Yeah, hey Brody. Hey son. Hey, so how's it going? So yeah, let's talk about it. We're gonna give me about a minute. Let me get more people in here, and then we're gonna chat about what the hell is going on. Kind of want to talk about opportunities, right? Let's always. It's not always the voice of doom and gloom. Okay, so glad you guys are here. Let me look at something else real quickly as well. I want to pull this up. So let's do this crypto news aggregator. So I want to do this. This is something I do every now and then. I'll look at kind of like what's going on in the overall news, State of the Union, top news right now. So yeah, nothing major is breaking. This thing is just started hitting lower. So guys, yeah, wow, 250 plus people here with me. You guys hit the like button, please. Tell the algorithm I'm here. Just tell the algorithm that I'm here, and that way that'll help me out. I appreciate it. Okay. Yeah, so please hit the like button. Appreciate you guys. Brody, I just made you a moderator. There you go. Welcome. Okay, so here's what's going on, guys. We got about 280 plus people. Hit the like button. I would greatly appreciate it. Hit the like button. That helps. It does help me to kind of get the word out and all this kind of stuff. So I'm going to say this. I'm going to have to say this a lot because we've got a lot going on. We've got a pretty significant major correction happening right now. We're gonna dive into this and see if there is anything underlying this. I think that frankly this is a correction, and I'm just gonna say I'm gonna look at it from a positive standpoint. It's a buying opportunity, okay? But I mean, we just went from I was making videos this morning, guys, and we were down about 5%. We dropped another 10%. Okay, so here's the thing I'm gonna tell you. I'm always gonna say this: you don't lose any dollars unless you sell. Period. Right? And I know that's an obvious statement, but don't let this downturn, this correction run you out of the market, okay? Oh, somebody just dropped in the Dow Jones is down 288%. I didn't know that. Let's go over to Yahoo. So I haven't looked at that recently. Let's do finance. Go away. Yeah, okay. So we got the Dow Jones down 280. We got the S&P 500 down 19, NASDAQ down 12%. So yeah, I mean, this does have sometimes impact on us. Okay, so whoever dropped that in, appreciate that, letting me guys know on that. So we got the Dow down as well. Okay, and we got just some stuff going on here. Okay, so I'm not scared. I'm going to tell you guys that straight up. I'm not scared because again, you only lose money, you only lose the profit whenever you sell. Okay, so don't sell as an example, but I'm looking at this as an opportunity. I mean, Bitcoin at 46,000 and change is an opportunity. Ethereum down to 3,300 is an opportunity. Cardano down to 237 from 285 and change is an opportunity. Okay, it's an opportunity. I realize that it's very hard to buy when the market is red, when the market is bleeding. But I'm going to say this, guys, this is when the smart money does it, okay? So when the smart guys, do it, okay? So, by the way, if you want your question answered, if you want to jump to the top of the pack, super chats get you answered. It's not a money grab from me, but you can see from the ticker on the screen, I'm actually showing you guys. I can't see every single one. So if you want me to, if you want a question answered, then super chat's the way to do it. Okay. Jack Walker says Bitcoin is only back to where it was last week, so calm down. That's a good point. All right, it's a good point. But I've looked and I'm not finding any reason. So let's look at like crypto. Oh, I can't spell crypto today. Crypto news. Delete crypto news. Okay. So if I look at like tools, and this is how I do it, by the way, guys, I'll go to news, I'll go to tools, I'll go to sort, I'll sort by date, and I'll look at right here, like 11 minutes ago, you know, we got Bitcoin being, but see the overall kind of state of the union on the news stuff is not caught up yet. So about 4 or 5 hours from now, the news is going to be out there going, oh, we had a correction, blah blah blah. Okay, so right here, right now, we're bleeding it, or we're bleeding it, we're living it. That's funny. There we go. Okay, all right. So let me look at some Q&A here. So let's see. Oh, it's not points. It's not percentage. It's points used to work with stocks. Hey, that's a good point. All right, cool. Somebody's asking if they have $100. Where should I invest it for the maximum return in the next 4 to 5 years? Any of them, Ethereum, Cardano, any of the big guys is going on. Somebody says China mining got shut down. Is that new news? I mean, I know China mining has been kind of, you know, China, we all know China doesn't like that, but is there some breaking news that you guys are aware of that I'm not aware of, that China is pushing this again? Somebody's mentioning Phantom. Everybody knows I mentioned Phantom the other day. It's the #1 trending crypto there is. It's up, but it was like it's hit a high of 183 in the last 24 hours. I love, and by the way, buying opportunity in my opinion. I mean, from 183, nothing's changed in the fundamentals of Phantom as an example, right? So just food for thought. I bought it at 92, and I'm not selling. Okay. So for those of you guys just coming in, we got like 400 plus people here live with me. By the way, hit the like button, please, 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 please hit the like button. That helps me and helps the algorithm, helps more people to know. It helps me to spread the word of what's going on. So we're in a pretty, I was going to say significant, but we're in a pretty big market correction right now. We've got, I mean, Dogecoin, guys, this morning Dogecoin was down maybe 8-9%. I was about to do a Dogecoin video, and that just boom, it flipped. And Dogecoin down 20%. I think SHIB's down in the 5s now, right? Let's go look at that real quickly. Shiba Inu is down. Yeah, it's in the 5s, so SHIB's down 20%. But here's the thing: for those of you guys who own Shiba and you're kind of like new to crypto, look, Shiba's down 20%. Always look at Shiba and Doge; they tend to follow each other. Okay, so Shiba and Doge, and look at Dogecoin is down 21%. Or actually, it's 15 and change, so it's moving around, but it's down 15 to 20+%. Okay, they tend to follow each other. Just as an FYI. Doge and Shiba are the only 2 community coins in the top 100. Just FYI. Okay, so just FYI. Somebody's saying blood in the streets, time to feast. You know, here's the thing. I'm looking at this as a buying opportunity. Okay, I am. Period. You know, you can look at, so the way I look at it is go, kind of like, let's say you were thinking about getting into Cardano, right? Okay, so look at it from that standpoint. Cardano's at a 16% discount in the last 24 hours. You can see in the last 24 hours, its high was 287 right there. So maybe if you're like, hey, I wanted to get in kind of on the Cardano thing. Excuse me. I wanted to get in on the Cardano thing. You know, at 285 is pretty high, etc. Maybe go, you know what? If it hits 225, 227, I might buy in, something like that. Pick your price point, buy in, not investment advice, right? Somebody says, Doggy's Tube says, big exchanges in China are down. Interesting. Okay. Andy says, Coinbase sucks, can't even buy or trade. Andy, is Coinbase down? Holy crap, I have Coinbase. Damn. I can't buy anything right now because I'm on live with you guys. But I love that. There's blood in the streets. It's time to feast. Who said that? Time to buy. Ben Bain said, blood on the streets, time to buy. I thought you said blood on the streets, time to feast. But your other one said feast. There we go. Yeah, China's old news. I know China's happened already. All right. Edward Williams, people need to calm down. It will all bounce back. I just added to each of my crypto holdings. Here's again. That's why I went live, guys. I wanted to go live and spend some time with you guys because you guys kind of cracked me up. You called me the voice of reason in the room. I think I've started using that in my videos. I see this as an opportunity. Period. You know, I'm looking at some opportunities. I'm looking at maybe adding to some position. Might pick up some Ethereum. Might pick up some Cardano, you know. And Solana, man, Solana. How many of you, drop in the chat. How many of you guys got in on Solana when it was maybe below 100 bucks. Drop in the chat. Let me know how many of you guys got in on Solana, because I missed that one. I did not get in on Solana, and I'm kicking myself in the butt for it. How many of you guys got in on Solana when it was below 100? Drop in the chat. I'm out of water. Okay. Yeah, so drop it in the chat. How many of you guys got in on Solana when it was down below? I think I'm looking at Solana. If it goes below maybe $1.40, I might pick up some Solana, because I mean, it's just crushing it. Somebody bought 78 bucks of Solana. That's funny. It's cool. Hey man, you buy what you need, right? Buy what you can do. Scott Woods got in on it. Good stuff, Scott. Awesome. Solana will go up again, guys. It will, as an example. And everybody's been talking about Solana. So yeah, so John, somebody got in below 50. Yeah, there's some good stuff. Somebody got in below 90. Oh yeah, check Bloomberg News. Let's see what's going on. Bloomberg News. Okay, I'll check it. I don't usually, I'm all caps on. Bloomberg News. Let's go see what's going on with Bloomberg News. I don't want your membership. No, I don't. Go away. How come I got... I don't want to... I'm not going to do that. Bloomberg. Oh, there we go. Wall Street is back. Just not the... Crypto platform. Nah, see, they're not... They don't have anything right now on... So this is all happening real time, guys. That's why you're here on YouTube, right? This is all happening real time. So there's none of the major news outlets are covering what's going on. They're not really covering. They can't react fast enough. You know what I mean? So yeah, so it's crazy. So yeah, you guys are. This is real time. That's why we're doing this on the YouTube, right? We're reacting real time. So I mean, this is a correction, guys. It's what it is. There's nothing fundamentally that's changed. We've got, by the way, let's refresh this, see what we got here. So we've got the overall, Dow is down 235, NASDAQ has come back up, S&P's down 15. So we got a little bit of stuff going on with the overall, with the stock market, the equity markets there. Let's see if they got anything on cryptocurrencies on Yahoo. Nah, see, there's no news here. I don't usually use, see, look, Solana Bitcoin retakes 50,000. That's 2 hours ago. See, like that's the news. So they can't react like we're doing. You know what I mean? Okay. Cool. Okay. So guys, yeah. So again, for those of you guys who are coming in, we got a lot of stuff going on. Oh, thanks for the super chat, Nick. This is a great buying opportunity to lower your DCA. Treat these corrections like a sell, not financial advice. Take your guys from... thanks. Appreciate it. Thanks for the super chat, Nick. I appreciate it. Yeah, I mean, here's the thing, guys. I'm going to tell you, for those of you guys who are kind of new into crypto, before you do anything, always take a breath. Before you sell, before you look what, take a breath. Take a breath. Relax, okay? And somebody's asking what a market correction. This is it. When we're kind of effectively correcting down from our previous highs. It's different than a crash. A crash is a crash. When it's just going down and just heading down lower. We're in a correction. The fear and greed. Let me get this. The fear and greed index. I talked about this in a video this morning. Right here. So look, the fear and greed index right here right now is at a 79. Oh wait, thanks for the super chats, guys. I'll get you in just a minute. So the fear and greed is at a 79, and that means that when we get too much greed, we get this extreme greed. It's right here. By the way, you can find this. It's all just type in fear and greed index, and you'll find this right here. When investors are too greedy, that means that the market is due for a correction. Which again, I think that's pretty much what's happening here. Okay. Realm of Peace bought BSC pad at less than a penny. Now it's over $1. We're close to $3 yesterday. Wow. BSC pad. What is that? Is that BSC pad? Oh, there it is. So I got a super chat from Realm of Peace. Was close to $3. Yeah, yesterday's high. So I'm not sure what this one is. BSC pad. So you guys check this one out. Realm of Peace talked about this one. He bought it. And then it went to 256. It's down 30+%. So what do they do? Next evolution. Blockchain launch pads. Ooh, that's interesting. I like that. This one's kind of cool. I might have to look this one up. Thanks for that, Realm of Peace. So yeah, you can get it on Gate.io, Pancake Swap. So you guys check that one out. That's a super chat from Realm of Peace. Thanks for that. Josh McGee in a super chat. Thank you. I believe we're in a correction. Everything is on sale right now. Love your content. I'm fixing to join your private group. Thanks, Josh. Looking forward to having you, man. Yeah, I mean, here's the thing, guys. I've gone and looked. We went and looked at Bloomberg. We looked at Yahoo Finance. There's really no major breaking news like, the crypto market is on fire or anything like that. I mean, we're seeing this real time. Somebody just dropped in gold, silver, platinum, all tanking too. Oh, okay, interesting. Wow, Gallery of Hope. We love you, Austin. Our homeschool community finance and economics classes showcase your videos once daily. Be encouraged. Keep up the great work. Wow, that's kind of cool. Thank you. Oh, hey, Nutsacks in the house. We should keep an eye on H-Bar. All right, so you guys heard it here first. Nutsack, who is one of my members. Yes, I said Nutsack. Okay, but that's his screen name. You guys can see the chat there. H-Bar. Yep. Guys, he says he's usually a pretty good picker of these. So take a look at Hedera, Hashgraph, H-Bar. You can buy it at these respective markets: Binance, Huobi. Let's see, where else? Bitcoin exchange.com exchange. Yep. Okay, so there's your markets. So keep an eye on Hedera. Ouch. All right. So again, we have a situation where we got kind of a market correction happening, guys. I'm not worried about it. This is what's going on. It's fine. And it's a buying opportunity. It's just going to be kind of the continued theme that we're talking about today. That was cool that there's a class that shows my content. That's pretty cool. Thank you for that. That's awesome. Thank you. SHIB is no longer on Webull. I guarantee you it is. There's nothing going on Webull. So maybe it's just down for a minute or something. Webull would not delist SHIB. I'm looking at the chat. That's why I saw that. Yep, everything is up. I mean, everything is up. Everything is up for bid, up for buy. There you go. I'm going to turn that mistake. It's the thing, guys. Hold on. Did that just... Guys, Solana just turned on us again. I think it went back up. Was it up when I looked at it earlier, or was it down? Maybe, it's down from its highs, but look at this. Solana continues to defy. Look at this. Solana is up 15% against, the big ones. God, man, Solana is crushing it. Crushing it. I don't think El Salvador has anything to do with this, guys. El Salvador, that's basically... El Salvador was going to go buy a bunch of Bitcoin today, right? This has nothing to do with El Salvador. Yeah, Solana, I don't know. That's the one that got away from me. That is absolutely the one that got away from me. Yeah, Bitcoin's down, Ethereum's down. This is a buying opportunity, guys. Buying opportunity. Hey, do me a favor, hit the like button, would you? Would you guys hit the like button? I'd appreciate it. Please, please, please hit the like. That would help me a lot if you dig in the content, if you like hanging out. Blah, blah, blah. Let's see. Yep, it's a buying opportunity. SHIB is on discount right now. Look at that. Phantom is number... What is Colada? Colada is number 2 trending. What is that? So Colada is number 2. Look at this. Colada is the number 2 trending token on all of CoinMarketCap right now. What is Colada? Let's look at this real quickly. Oh, it's a DeFi platform. Interesting. Where do you buy it at? Pancake, Baby Swap, Colada Protocol. All right. Interesting. Check that out. It's number 2 right now. Cool. Okay. Oh yeah. Let's look at that. I want to look at SHIB. I got distracted. Yeah, SHIB's back down in the 5s. Guys, I didn't think I would see Shiba Inu back in the 5s in a long time. I did not think that I would see... I did not think that I would see SHIB back into the fives, and we're back here. It is a definitely a buying opportunity for SHIB. If you believe in SHIB long term, you guys know I say that all the time, but this is a buying opportunity, and it's going to bounce back from this. I mean, in Shiba Inu we haven't been in the fives. Where are we at? Let me look. Hold on just a minute. Now I got to look year to date. So look, if you go back, did we touch 5 there? So we touched 5 on, what is that, July 20th. Yeah. We have not been in the 5s since July 20th. So about 6, 7, 8 weeks ago, give or take. So yeah, that's kind of interesting. Interesting. Food for thought. This is buying opportunity, guys. Buying opportunity. Gas fees are killing you. Yep. I know. Gas fees. You got to get Ethereum over to proof of stake, man. Got to get that moving. Brody's asking, any clue what might have started this off, Austin? Are there any reputable commentary articles out yet? No, there's no reputable, there's no news. No news out as of right now. Let's see if we get anything here. No. Let me do this. Let's go Bloomberg, refresh, crypto, no. Let's go to Google. Let me get, let's do crypto market correction. Let's see if anybody's got anything out. Just seeing if, no news, tools, date. This was 14 minutes ago. Oh, here we go. Motley Fool, 35 minutes ago. Let's see what the Motley Fool has to say. I'm not a huge fan usually. Oh, Filecoin. Oh, sorry. I misread that one. That's about Filecoin. I thought it said why cryptocurrency is falling. No, there's nothing. There's no news. There's no news out yet. Nothing. Nothing. I just keep refreshing. So we're bouncing around. So like Bitcoin. So we're doing like today. Look at this. We were running. Look, Bitcoin was running along. Is this today? Yeah. Bitcoin went from the earlier today, this morning in the 4-5 a.m. all the way down to this. So it's dropped about 6,000-7,000, and then now it's headed back up. So the low has been 44,000 and change. So yeah, so that's interesting. Bitcoin, Ethereum. Let me look at Ethereum. Kind of same thing today. You can see Ethereum was running in 3,700, and then it just dropped and hit 3,100, and then now it's back up to 34. So our low today, on Ethereum has actually been 3,062. 3,062. Crazy. 3,062. Man. You know what? You can tell. I mean, I'm not freaking out. I've got a smile on my face, man. This is okay. You know, it's all right. Robinhood has an article on why everything is crashing. Seriously? Okay, let's go there. Robinhood. How do you get to like their blog or something? I'm assuming it's like a blog. There it is. That's not what I'm looking for. Blah blah blah. I don't see anything here. If you can drop a link to it, I'll look at it. This is all news. So look at this. Robinhood market. I doubt that's going to pull anything. Nah, it's not going to pull anything. Nah, never mind. No news. Nah, I got nothing. If you guys find anything, drop a link, okay? If you can. I'm assuming you can. Somebody's asking what SHIB will reach an all-time high. I mean, guys, here's the thing. SHIB will reach an all-time high in years. It's going to take years for SHIB to reach an all-time high, period. All right, guys, stop spamming the chat with the same thing over and over again. Thanks for that, moderators. Appreciate that. So, guys, good. Again, 4,600 Cardano. What's Cardano? I mean, like Cardano was running along. Let me see what its low was. Cardano's low today has been a 204. Holy crap. So it says Cardano hit 204 today. So look, Cardano did the exact same thing as Bitcoin and Ethereum. It was running, and it, and then it dropped from 260 and change down to 216, and it's bounced all the way back up to 246. Yep. Opportunities are everywhere, guys. Opportunities are everywhere. And Solana just continues to defy Doge, Polkadot. Let's look at this. If you look at the top guys that are down right now, Chainlink. Actually, some of these losses have pared back. Like some of these were higher. I mean, there was definitely this one. Whoa, wait a minute. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, so some of these losses are definitely. Man, CoinMarketCap's doing some weird stuff. There we go. OMG's down 24%. Shiba's right there with it, 23%. I think Dogecoin's like 18 or 19%. So there's your top ones that are kind of moving down right now. Horizon's down 23. These are your top opportunities if you're looking to pick up some opportunities. Cardano's on sale. Everything's on sale right now. And that's how I look at it, guys. Everything's on sale. Ethereum Classic's down 21%. Chainlink's down 21%. I mean, how I always look at it is ask yourself the viability. Is Chainlink going to go anywhere? No. It's not going anywhere. Chainlink is Chainlink. It's down 21%, Cardano, somebody said Cardano's will skyrocket when smart contracts. Yeah, I've been saying that the whole time for sure. I mean, Cardano's on a 15% discount right now, So it's definitely on a discount. Somebody said China closed down mining in Sichuan. That's interesting. Oh, here we go. Jason, there was about a 66% liquidation. The same thing that happened this past spring around May. Interesting. All right, thanks for that, Jason. Appreciate the super chat, man. Thanks. Somebody says that it's a good time to buy Solana. Man, that one's hard, man. I guys, you know me. I'm not gonna. What am I trying to say to you? Solana, I don't know. I'm just gonna say it point blank. I don't know. Solana has had such a massive run up so fast. I don't know the answer to that. I'm waiting for a pullback. I think Solana will pull back, and then I'm going to buy in. Right now, at $1.69, I mean, 194 is our high in the last 24 hours. Probably would wait. I mean, and it's continuing. It's how strong it is. It's continuing to defy this entire market correction scenario. I'm not buying Solana at this level. I think it's going to come down, and it's a hard one. It's a hard one to put a finger on. So XLM, I haven't looked at XLM in a while. Let's look at that. Somebody's asking about XLM. Stellar's on a 19%. There's nothing that's changed in XLM. I love XLM. Don't own any right this second, but it's at a nice discount. I mean, right here, right now, if you look at Stellar, kind of in the last month, you've had kind of this yet a nice run up from the 30th all the way up, and then it's on a pretty significant, look at this. So right there is your high, and it's on a pretty significant discount right now. What's year to date? All-time high. All-time high 76 cents, give or take. Yeah. I love Solana's fundamentals. Whoever's asking about that. Solana's fundamentals, I'm a big, huge fan. So Matthew Largy says, please shout out to my friend Eden and tell him Matthew says SHIB is the best coin in the whole market. All right, there you go, Matthew. I gave you your shout out. Somebody's asking if it is true that SHIB will hit a penny by January 2022? No, I don't think that's true at all. I don't think it's going to take years for us to get to that point. So, yeah. Man, I'm out of water. Guys, do me a favor, hit the like button. I appreciate it. Hit the like button. It helps me, helps the whole algorithm thing. I appreciate that. So definitely do that if you would. Somebody's asking thoughts on XRP. I love XRP. I think right now, I think the SEC lawsuit thing's going to go away. I think that's going to be settled. I mean, all the rampant not good stuff that the SEC did around that and all those guys that were part of that, I think there's going to continue to be fallout from that. Yeah, I think XRP will go up. Justin's here. So Justin's a YouTube member. So Justin, I see you. Welcome. What's going on in the market to make everything drop? Justin, we're in a market correction. So that's it. So we're just in a market correction and it's a buying opportunity. Period, end of story. Right? That's what's going on. AMP, I like AMP. Somebody's asking about AMP. I'm definitely a fan of AMP. I think hadn't done anything in a little bit, but I think AMP is a good long-term play. Huge volumes are going into ETH right now. That's interesting. Really? Let's look at that. Oh yeah, look at this. So the volume is picking up. Yeah. So definitely. Yeah, look at that. The volume is up 58%. So here's the thing, guys. So whoever dropped that in, thank you for that. Vibes 2021, thanks for that. That's a good heads up. So here's what's going on. You got market down. Who's buying? Whales, institutional money, buying, volume going up, money flowing in. Buying opportunity. Smart money's going in. What's going on in Bitcoin? Look at this. Volume on Bitcoin. Volume on Bitcoin is rising too. Look. So money flowing in. Definitely. Look. Volume's up 58%. This is a market correction, guys. Market. Discount. Everything. Somebody said I see discounts. Who said that? Crypto Stoffel. That's how I see it. These are all, when I look at this column, I'm going, everything is on sale. Bitcoin's on a 9% sale. Ethereum's on 11, and so forth. Cardano's on a 15% sale. Sale. Southern part of me kicking in. Brody, did the charts give any kind of warning this might happen, do you think? Did we touch a fib? I don't know the answer to that, Brody. I'm sorry. I haven't looked at any charts recently. I don't do a lot of deep technical TA, technical analysis. There's guys that do that better than me, way better than me, and I haven't looked at any of their stuff. I saw what was going on and went live. So yeah, so if any of you guys got access to some TA stuff, technical analysis stuff, and you want to go out, did we touch any fibs or anything like that? Yeah, let me know. So yeah, this is a buying opportunity, guys. Buying. I don't think we're done with the correction. Somebody's asking about that. I don't think we're done with this. I think this is going to be kind of an all-day thing. But you can see we've already I think we've paired. We were down here. We were down like 14-15% when I went live. So we're down now 11.67. We've paired back, from some of those levels. You know what I mean? So yeah. Cool. Axie Infinity is going back up. Interesting. I love Axie. You guys know I own Axie. Sandbox. There's Sandbox isn't trending. Sandbox is down 22%. I own Sandbox. I'm definitely a fan of it. So that's one that I like. Axie is actually it's down. Axie's down. This is an opportunity. I mean, Axie's down from... Axie touched like $95, guys. Axie's down. I bought Axie when it was 14, so I'm okay with that. Somebody's asking if they should buy some more SHIB. Hey, not investment advice, but we're back in the fives. I didn't expect SHIB to be back in the fives. If you believe in SHIB long term, yeah, fives are definitely a good level to buy in at. We haven't hit this level on SHIB since like July. So that's how low we are right now. So yeah. Somebody's asking how long I think we can bounce back. I think that this is maybe a day or so, maybe, if it's not a prolonged correction. But I'm already starting to see that we're starting to pare back some of our losses. Like we were at 14+% earlier, just like when I went live 35 minutes ago. So we're already kind of getting back to some better levels. But we just looked at, there's massive amounts of new volume flowing into Bitcoin and Ethereum. I wonder if there's volume going into Cardano. Holy Christ, look at this, guys. Volume in Cardano, 97%. Wow. The volume in Cardano has increased 97%. Cardano's going to go up, man. Cardano is going to go up to 5, 10 plus bucks. It's just going to freaking happen. With smart contracts going live, guys, this is a buy. I think, not investment advice. This is a buy and load, because things are going to continue to roll back up, man. They are. They're going to go back up. Thanks, Ben. Appreciate it. There you go, Ben. Just made you a moderator. Welcome. FET is up 27% more than Sol and FTM. I'm pretty shocked considering why would they have any. What FET? Oh, yeah. Woo! She's running. Where can you buy FET? Coinbase. Then it's going to be on crypto. Interesting. Yeah, 111. This is an opportunity, guys. Maybe Fetch is, look at Fetch is up 29+% in the thanks for that tip. Whoever dropped that in, I didn't see it. Arrow Scorpion. Let's give you a shout out. Thanks for this. So FET is up. Platforms connect. Oh, it connects the Internet of Things. Yep. To enable their collective learning. What makes it unique? Find, create, deploy, train autonomous economic agents as essential part of smart contract orders on the platform. Check this out. Check this out, guys. FET. That's an interesting one. I'm gonna have to draw. I'm gonna write that one down on a piece of paper. Hold on. FET and ZIL are some that are interesting right now. All right. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. All right, guys. I'm gonna hang with you another about 15 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna basically, get. I gotta go take care of some things. What else we got? ETH up 60% on volume. Yep. We got a super chat from I Am a Money Magnet. Pounce. Thanks for the super chat. I agree. Dotson, is it a good time to buy more Cardano? I mean, yeah, I'm not investment advice, right? But yeah, I mean, if you're looking at it, if you believe in Cardano long term and you think it's going to go up to 4, 5, 10 bucks, hell yeah, buy. I'm thinking about buying up on these levels. We got people stocking up on XRP. Yep. Got some good stuff going on, man. Hex coin. Yeah, I'm aware of Hex. I actually like Hex. That's an interesting one. I've always liked Polkadot, guys. I don't own any Polkadot. Somebody's asking me about Polkadot. I think Polkadot, where did I just pass it? Polkadot is going to run with everything else, and it's at a 17+% discount. You know, Polkadot, I like what they're doing. I mean, yeah, I'm a fan. So. Eth Classic. I always get asked about Ethereum Classic. I don't own any ETC. Where is it at? I don't own any ETC, and I don't really have a positive or negative opinion about ETH. I think here's what I would say. I would say that there are better opportunities, and that's not a slam against Ethereum Classic. I just kind of, when I'm looking at investing, I'm looking at where is my money going to better serve me? Where is the better opportunity? So I'm looking for better kind of newer opportunities versus ETC. That's it. I mean, but I think ETC will go back up. I think it'll rise and all this kind of stuff. I just kind of look at it as where's my money better serving me. So there you go. I got people asking what caused this crash. It's not a crash. It's a market correction. So I think we don't really know what the trigger point was. Let me refresh this, see if we've paired any losses. Yeah, we're sitting at 11.67. Actually, we're up. We were all the way down to like a 14+% decrease. When I started 40 minutes ago, we were at a 14 to almost 15% decrease in the entire crypto market. To me, this is a market correction scenario. We've got a little bit of a extreme greed thing happening here. And so I think the market was kind of set to do a correction, because right here on Fear and Greed Index, it'll show you when investors are too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction, just FYI. Okay. So I think that's kind of what happened. We'll have to kind of see how that plays out from a news cycle standpoint, if there was a trigger event, but there really wasn't. It's not like something came out and said, something bad against Bitcoin or Ethereum or some major thing. In fact, you got El Salvador bringing Bitcoin on as the official currency. They were going to buy a bunch of Bitcoin today, things like that. So again, this is a correction, and thus it is a buying opportunity. Okay. Brandon, welcome. Glad you're here. You're able to make it. Welcome, man. Thanks, Brandon, for being here. Glad you're able to catch me live. Yeah, this was a situation, man, where I saw this happening, and I'm like, I got to go live. I made a video, and right as I was wrapping up the video, I was like, holy cow, and I saw this happening. I'm like, man, we need to get on and do some live stuff and just kind of maybe calm a few nerves and things like that. I think, again, guys, cards on the table, I'm viewing this as a buying opportunity. That's what I'm going to tell my Patreon group, my private group. I'm going to tell them the same thing. But, you guys here live with me, and you guys are subscribers to my channel. You guys are part of my family, man. And I'm thinking that you guys need to, kind of maybe, people call me the voice of reason in the room. I mean, I appreciate that. So yeah, I thought it was time to have some discussions. So I had somebody asking me about Satima. Guys, I don't have a positive or negative opinion about Satima. I've got some big members of my private group that are big holders of Satima, and they are very bullish on it. So hey, I think it's a good project from what they're telling me, things like that. I don't cover it on my channel because the Shiba Inu camp and the Satima camp don't really like each other, and I built my channel off of Shiba Inu hardcore people that are into SHIB, and I'm loyal to them. So there you go. So said John Bonacci just woke up. Yeah, that would suck, John, if you just woke up and you see the market's going to crap. I'd be like, holy hell. That's I was sitting here, guys, when I was sitting here, I was making videos and working, and I saw the markets were down a little bit, and then it turned, man. It turned within about 10 minutes. It turned. Hold on a minute. My wife's calling me. Hold on just a minute. This is live. Hey, baby, I'm doing a live stream. I'll call you back. Love you. There you go. That's live, baby. I did a live stream, and I answered my wife. So yeah, I'm gonna spend another 5 minutes with you guys, and then I'm gonna bounce. Guys, here it is. It's all good. Take a breath, right? Take a breath. Relax. Everybody, relax. Look at this from a buying opportunity, and just look at it from a buying standpoint, right? And just look at it from that opportunity. Okay. So just take a breath and start picking out some cryptos that you like. Jennifer, hey Austin, your Patreon group, do you also have people with stock market portfolios? Jennifer, I'll look at stock market portfolios for people in my Patreon. I own a bunch of stock and things like that. My Patreon's mostly crypto facing, but yeah, I mean, if you want me to give you some input on your stock stuff, I'm happy to do that. So yeah, so there you go. Thanks. Somebody said that's love right there. Yeah, I've been married for 16 years, so and we're happy, so it's good stuff. So yeah, pick some, and guys, here's the thing. Somebody said this may not be a good buying point right now, so I dropped that in the chat. Here's the thing. It has to be the right choice for you, okay? And this may continue. We may see this correction may continue for the rest of the day and into tomorrow, which means we may see some lower lows. Okay. And so my best advice, again, not investment advice, is kind of look for it. Let's just take Cardano as an example, but you can apply this to any of the cryptos out there. Look at Cardano. If let's say you were trying to get into Cardano or Ethereum or XRP, it doesn't matter, Solana, whatever it is, and find your level, okay? And just go, all right, you know what? If Cardano hits 225, whatever the number is for you, and that's it. If that's your level, then buy in on that level, right? That's it. Yeah. So that's my 2 cents. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna basically kind of check out. I gotta go. Wanted to come spend some time with you. Been here with you about 45 minutes. So again, take a breath. Don't sell if you don't need to. When you sell and you take a loss, that's when you lose. Okay, so that's when you lose. Okay, so again, truly, sincerely, thank you for your support of myself, my channel, my videos. Truly, thank you for you guys that giving me a voice in this crazy crypto world. I love it every day. I love it, and I love what I do. I love giving up every single day and making the videos and and just trying to do everything I can for you guys to help you kind of navigate these kind of these murky waters that is the crypto market. So take it easy. Look for opportunities. Pick your opportunities. Open up your wallet, pick some opportunities, and go in. And if you have a long-term view, you should be good. Okay. So guys, I'll see you later. Thank you for everything. Take it easy. See you. Bye.